Technology helps us learn, communicate, and complete tasks every day. However, the choices we make when using technology can be either ethical or unethical. This story follows Alex as he faces different situations involving technology and learns the importance of responsible digital behavior.
This project will due tomorrow. I don't have time to do proper research.
Aren't you supposed to give credit to the author?
It's fine, the teacher won't notice.
Alex, this section was copied directly from a website without proper citation. This is plagiarism, which is a form of academic dishonesty.
I didn't think it was a big deal.
Using someone else's work without giving credit is unfair and unethical. Always cite your source when using information from others.
Plagiarism violates academic integrity and can lead to penalties. Ethical technology users respect the work of others and properly acknowledge the sources.
This time, I'll do it the right way.
Nice job, Alex, for citing your sources.
I've learned that giving credit to authors shows respect for their work.
Excellent work, Alex. Your research is well documented and trustworthy.
Ethical technology use includes honesty, responsibility, and proper attribution of information.
I forgot my account password. Can I just use yours?
Sure, here it is.
Sharing password can compromise your privacy and security. Passwords should always remain private.
Protecting personal information is an important part of responsible technology use.
Your password looks complicated.
That's the point. Strong passwords help keep accounts secure.
Good job! Responsible technology users protect their personal information and respect the privacy of others.
Using strong passwords and keeping them private help prevent unauthorized access and protects digital accounts. Technology is a powerful tool, but it must be used responsibly. Ethical choices such as citing sources, protecting personal information, and respecting others online help create a safer and more trustworthy digital environment.
I've learned that every decision we make online matters.
Technology works best when we use it responsibly.
Being ethical online is just as important as being ethical in real life.
Always think before you click, share, or copy. Responsible technology use benefits everyone.
Remember, make the right choice, use technology ethically and responsibly.